Welcome. This is part of a series of videos where I discuss things I've learned and things I've had to adapt to since I had my left eye removed. So yes, this is a prosthetic. Don't do that at home, it'll hurt. I developed a large tumor in my eye. It's called ocular melanoma. It's pretty rare, about 2,500 cases a year. The eye really wasn't worth saving, so I had it removed. And I will show you the prosthetic right now because I'm sure you're curious. So I take it out by swiping down and to the left, and you can see the bottom peeks out, and then gravity kind of takes the rest. So this is my prosthetic. Hand painted, molded to my eye socket. The dot on the top tells me which way is up. And I sat for this painting. I was in his office for about 2.5 hours while he hand painted the iris to match my other eye. That's the only way to do it. You have to be there in person. So that's my eye. I'll put that over there. So one of the first questions I got from everybody when I told them, hey, I had my eye removed, or I'm going to have it removed, they said, oh, was it your dominant eye? Yep. I said, it sure was. Not the best option, but let's make something clear. Dominant eye just means the eye you've always favored if you were to look through a peephole in a door, or you were going to look through a telescope, a microscope, shoot a gun, shoot an arrow. Whatever eye you naturally gravitate towards is your dominant eye. Doesn't mean it's better or more powerful. It's not bionic. It's not an alpha eye. It's not alpha and beta eye. It's just an eye that you just preferentially use. Now, for me, the most obvious setback was I'm a photographer, and I would always shoot like this. You can see the problem. You can't shoot when you have no eye. So I have to go like this. And it's kind of awkward, but I got used to it pretty fast. So, speaking of habits and how hard they die, me and my family like to play Cards Against Humanity. This is the family edition, and it's got a glow-in-the-dark cover. So we have all of the sets, but this is the family edition with the glow-in-the-dark cover. Now, we're playing at the kitchen table, and of course, I'm curious. I'm like, I wonder how well this really glows, right? Does it really glow in the dark? So I make a little, when you want to look at something like a glow-in-dark material, you kind of cup your hands like this, right? You make a little hole here so you can darken it and you can go look inside. So I go like this. I go, let's see if this thing really glows. I don't see anything. It's weird. Try again. Still don't see anything. Wonder why. Oh, haha. I was using my enucleated eye to try to look at this. It's more common than you think. I've talked to other one-eyed people, and I relayed that story. They said, oh yeah, it's been 10 years for me, and I still will make mistakes like that when I'm tired, just out of habit. I try to use my enucleated eye because that was my dominant eye. So I hope you learned something, and if you lose an eye, it's your dominant eye. It's not a big deal. You didn't lose your best eye. You just lost the one that you habitually used. You'll adapt to the other one just fine. It's not the end of the world. So thanks for listening. I'll talk to you later.